Duties of the patrol. Maintain contact with fire dispatchers at all times in order to notify them of the need for additional firefighters and supplies, or to patrol. Operate pumps connected to high-pressure hoses. Participate in physical training in order to maintain high levels of physical fitness. Maintenance of equipment. Fire protection and firefighting systems and appliances shall be maintained, tested and inspected, ready for use at all times while the ship is in service. The maintenance plan shall include fire mains, fire pumps and hydrants, including hoses, nozzles and ISC fixed fire detection and alarm systems. Maintenance plan shall be kept on board ships and shall be available for inspection whenever required by the administration. Maintenance, testing and inspection shall be carried out based on the IMO guidelines. The maintenance program may be computer-based. Maintenance plan shall be kept on board ships and shall be available for inspection whenever required by the administration. Maintenance, testing and inspection shall be carried out based on the IMO guidelines. The maintenance program may be computer-based. Topic number 7, Actions to be taken on board ship. Actions to be taken on board ship. Seafarers on board now have advanced technologies, advanced training that will maximize the fire prevention aspects of ship's operation. Safe practices on board ships. General safety procedures to enhance fire prevention on board ships. No smoking in hazardous areas. Ability to raise the fire alarm quickly. Ability to extinguish fire by using portable extinguishers and other methods. Ability to recognize fire hazards and to take the necessary steps to prevent fire. Reducing fire hazards in the engine room. Ensuring insulation and lagging are kept in good condition. Eliminating oil leaks and preventing accumulation of oil. Taking proper fire precautions when welding or burning is being carried out. Checking that caps and cocks for sounding pipes to oil tanks are closed. Maintaining a clean engine room, removing oil-soaked rags. Reducing fire hazards in the galley. Keeping extraction fan and flue gas duct clean. Ensuring cooking oils do not spill on top of the stove or overheat in electrical cooking pans. Keeping electrical installations well maintained. Reducing fire hazards in accommodation area. No smoking in bed. No unauthorized electrical fittings. No emptying of ashtrays into waste paper bins without ensuring all cigarette ends are extinguished. Measures for reducing fire hazards in cargo spaces. Ensuring hatches are correctly cleaned. Ensuring cargo is stowed and ventilated in accordance with the rules. Prohibition of smoking during cargo working periods. Securing of cargo. Inerting the atmosphere in cargo compartments when required. Measures for reducing fire hazards in cargo spaces. Ensures hold, cargo compartment lights are switched off and cargo clusters disconnected, removed and stored away after use and before closing of hatches. Topic number 8, Fire and smoke detection and automatic alarm systems. Detection and alarm. Solens Chapter 2 Regulation 7. Purpose: to detect a fire in the space of origin and to provide for alarm for safe escape and firefighting activity. Fixed fire detection and alarm system shall be periodically tested. Detection and alarm. Where do fire detection and alarm system be usually installed? Machinery spaces, enclosed spaces containing incinerators, accommodations, cabins, in all stairways, corridors and escape routes. Fire and smoke detection systems. Fire and smoke detection systems. Fire detection control unit. A red light indicates fire or smoke. A blue light indicates trouble in the system. Fire detectors sense and initiate a signal in response to heat, smoke, flame or some other indication of fire. Fire and smoke detection systems. Fire and smoke detection systems. Refraction-type photoelectric smoke detector. Fire and smoke detection systems. Automatic sprinkler systems. Fire and smoke detection systems. Detection system pertains to cargo spaces air sampling smoke detection system. Fire and smoke detection systems. Detection system pertains to bridge and other control rooms. Fire detectors. Sprinkler. Fire extinguisher. Automatic fire alarm. The operation of an automatic fire alarm. Automatic detectors are meant to imitate one or more of the human senses of touch, smell or sight. System which has fire zones and state where such a system may be installed in a ship. Zone valves and zone chart for a shipboard sprinkler system. Automatic fire alarm. The benefits of a zone system: only be able to tell what zone has been activated. With zoned non-coded fire alarm systems it will only be able to find out what zone has been activated. With coded fire alarm systems it can also use the audio or visual signal provided to tell you what zone has been activated. Carbon monoxide alarm. Carbon monoxide detector. List of other possible fire alarms as including pump room. List of other possible fire alarms as including manually operated UMS fire detection system. Fire alarms and first actions. Actions to be taken upon discovery of fire. Raise the emergency alarm. Determine location of the fire, explosion. Check for oil, hazardous substances, pollution and possibility of one. Actions to be taken upon discovery of fire. Determine any casualties and provide first aid if necessary. Find out the type of fire. If necessary, start the fire pump. In case of engine room fire, start the emergency fire pump and close the isolating valve. Close all the QCVs, quick closing valves. Contain and extinguish the fire, using portable fire extinguisher or a fixed system if necessary. Set up emergency distress transmitter and keep ready for use. Topic number 9. Classification of fires and appropriate extinguishing agents. Classification of fires. Combustible solids, wood, paper, textiles and similar materials. Flammable liquids and gases. Live electrical equipment, computers, televisions. Combustible metals. Classification of fires. Class K fires, cooking media. Examples: cooking oil and fats. Portable fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishing agents. Water fire extinguisher, applicable for class of fires. Fire extinguishing agents, Water fire extinguisher, applicable for Class A fires. Carbon dioxide extinguisher, applicable for Class B liquids, and C fires. Fire extinguishing agents foam, appropriate for Class A, B and K. Fire extinguishing agents. Dry chemical powder extinguishers, applicable for ABC fires. Smothering effect systems, carbon dioxide, CO2, and foams.
How to use a carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. You have selected to view a carbon dioxide fire extinguisher, sometimes referred to as a CO2 extinguisher. It is easily identified by its colour, red, with a black band. It is also identified by its cone-shaped discharge nozzle. It contains carbon dioxide in liquid form under pressure. Because CO2 is a non-conductor of electricity, it is most suited for fires in equipment connected to an electrical source. To operate a CO2 extinguisher, as with most types of fire extinguishers, remember the PASS acronym. P. Pull the pin. A. Aim the nozzle. S. Squeeze the trigger. S. Sweep the fire. Pull the pin. Hold the extinguisher upright, twist the pin to break the seal, then pull the pin to release the trigger mechanism. Aim the nozzle. Stand back from a safe distance, aim the nozzle at the base of the flames, hold the hose above the discharge horn to avoid freeze burn. Squeeze the trigger. Grip the trigger so that the upper and lower parts of the trigger are pressed together. The contents of the extinguisher